Raider Professional presents Double Bevel Miter Saw RDP MS11. The compact miter saw for precise immersion cutting at an angle, RDP MS11, is suitable for cutting both hard and soft wood. Its powerful engine in combination with a high-quality cutting blade ensures precise cutting. It is equipped with a dust capture bag and can be plugged with the RDP WC04 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. The high-quality alloy of the base provides good stability during work. Special gearbox design allows tilting of the saw blade below 45 degrees to the left and right. No load speed is 5000 RPM. The range of the cutting angle is 45 degrees. The table's insert is equipped with a practical scale for reading the width of the workpiece. A special blank holder with a longer length can be mounted on both sides of the machine. An additional limiter is available. The elongate function makes it possible to cut wider parts. A laser function for precise cutting.